Hello, I'm Marilise and today we will craft Christmas ornaments with egg carton. Take egg carton and cut out two pyramidal shape. If needed, you can trim the bottom of the shapes to have clean edges. Apply hot glue on the edge and glue both pieces together. So you have the ornament shape. Take white glue and apply it on the shape. You can use a brush to spread it. You will need two different yarn to cover the ornament. Put a dot of hot glue on the top of the ornament. Fix both ends of the yarn and start wrapping the yarn around the shape. Apply more white glue when needed and keep wrapping the yarn to cover all of the ornament. Roll the yarn to the bottom of the ornament and cut the extra length. I like to add an extra dot of hot glue to secure the yarn ends. To hang the ornament, you will need to add a piece of string. Cut a piece of 20 centimeters. Make a knot with both ends to create a loop. Take a wooden bead and pass the string loop through it. Add a little glue and pull the string through the bead so it will hold in place. Cut the extra length and glue the bead with the string on top of the ornament. Glue a second identical bead on the bottom of the ornament to nicely finish it. Have fun trying different yarn color combination to create several ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this easy idea to make Christmas ornaments out of egg carton. Have fun crafting for Christmas and please like and follow for more easy craft ideas.